Hello there! Welcome to this UMaine Student Symposium judging tutorial. If you're here, then you're either contemplating signing up to be a UMSS judge, or you've already done so and have questions. In this video, we'll go over what it means to be a judge at the symposium, what qualifications you need in order to judge presentations, and how you can sign up. The most common question we receive from prospective judges is, am I qualified to be a UMSS judge? The short answer is yes, absolutely. You don't need to have any special credentials, qualifications, academic, or professional backgrounds to be a judge for the symposium. And don't worry about being unfamiliar with a presentation category. Our presentation rubric is designed to focus more on how the student presents their research to the public who may not be familiar with their area of study. Do they seem comfortable and knowledgeable with the material they're presenting? Are they able to answer questions about their process, their methods, and their results? Did they explain their work in a way that someone outside the discipline can get the gist of the project? With that information in mind, we hope you can see that anyone is capable of judging any category at the UMaine Student Symposium. Included here is the rubric judges will use during the day of the event. As you can see, each criteria item is judged on how well and how clear the student presents their information, rather than on the specific content. This rubric is available on the UMSS website, will be included in an informational email, and will also be available at the venue on the day of the event. Judges will review presentations, which will be in the form of posters, exhibits, or oral presentations. You will have an opportunity to ask the student any questions you may have regarding their research or creative activity project. Then you will fill out a simple Google form to submit your scores. Feel free to bring your own smartphone, tablet, or laptop to submit your scores. On the day of the event, you will want to arrive anytime between 7:45 a.m. and 12 noon p.m. Upon arrival, you'll need to check in at the judging table, where someone will give you your name tag, any materials you might need for the day, such as a map and the rubric, as well as provide directions to the judging room. After reviewing your assigned presentations, you'll return to the judging room to submit your scores. There will be coffee and snacks available throughout the day, in addition to a catered lunch to keep you going. Be sure to submit your scores by 1 p.m., but feel free to look around at work from other students. There are a lot of fun and exciting things happening at UMaine, and the symposium is the perfect place to see a little bit of everything. Beginning with UMSS 26, we are implementing a new method of assigning projects for judging. You will receive randomly selected abstract numbers when you check in at the judging table on the day of the event. Using the rubric we provide, you will score those presentations through a Google form. If you are unable to review and score a project for any reason, bring that abstract number back to the judging table. This new method of assigning projects will encourage interdisciplinary communication and collaboration, ensure that all students have the opportunity to be judged by someone outside of their field, and alleviate judging pressures on the UMSS organizing committee, so we are able to focus on making the event even better for our students. There are a few common issues that can come up while judging at the symposium. Sometimes you may get to a presentation and find that there is a poster on display but no student, or there may be nothing there at all. When this happens, move on to other presentations, but return to see if the student and/or their poster has arrived. If the poster is there and the student is not, score the poster as best you can. If there is still no student or poster present, then please submit scores using the lowest possible number of points for each criteria. This shows the UMSS team that the presentation has been scored and means we won't scramble to get judges to a presentation at the last minute. If you get to a presentation and determine that judging it would be a conflict of interest, bring that abstract number back to the judging table. A conflict of interest in this situation could include a professor being assigned to judge the presentation of someone they are advising, or a graduate student being asked to review an undergraduate presentation with whom they work in the same lab. In an effort to maintain fairness in judging across the board, we don't allow undergraduates to judge presentations, and graduate students will only be assigned undergraduate presentations. We hope this video has been informative and helpful to you. If you have any further questions about being a judge at UMSS, please visit our website, umaine.edu/UMSS, or email us at um.symposium@maine.edu. We look forward to seeing you at the symposium.